Hey guys, so I have a quick haul video to share with you. This is another haul video, but this is all from Walmart. If you haven't been to your Walmart stores yet, start heading there. Head to all the stores in your area and check them out for their clearance. I've got to show you guys what I got because I'm so excited and so happy, and I don't think my Walmart is done marking stuff down. So like if you've got to keep going back and back, like every time you go, just check the clearance section, check the garden center, because they are still marking stuff down. And I've even found garden stuff on clearance not in the garden center. So make sure that you are looking where they have a designated clearance spot within the store, and then also look in the back at the garden center because I found stuff kind of like all over the place. All right, so let me show you what I got. Alrighty, so here is where the pile is. It is a wreck. I understand that. I know it's a wreck. We are in the process of so many things. Our basement flooded. I'm cutting back plants and winterizing and storing and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so oh my gosh. Okay, so look at these two pots. These are beautiful. Hi, baby. Hi. This one was $3. This one was $2. This planter here is, let's see how many inches it is. 8-inch pot. And then this one looks like it's a 4-inch. Let me see. 6-inch. It looks so much smaller. Okay, so this is 8 and 6 inches. So that great deal. 3, 2. Then I found this terrarium, which is so beautiful. I cannot wait to put some plants in here. This was $6. $6. So beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait to put this to use. Anyway, moving on. So then I got this misting bottle. This was 75 cents. 75 cents. Now, I know there's a lot of stuff out there that misting doesn't do anything for your plants, which in the grand scheme of things, it probably doesn't add a ton of humidity, but I love to mist my plants. I love to see water droplets on the leaves, so I am a mister. Next, got this orchid bloom booster. This was like $2. $2. Next, I got this Captain Jack spray. This was, wait, let me get my receipt. So I wanted to give you guys accurate information, so I went and grabbed my receipt. And the Captain Jack's dead bug. Okay, so this was $2.50. $2.50. So I got 2 of them. $2.50, not bad at all. And then I grabbed this neem, oh, almost dropped in my face, neem max. And the neem max is, this was $4.50, so this was a little bit more. And then let me show you these two things. Look at this, another terrarium. This is an open terrarium and hanging terrarium. Look how cute this is. So cute. Now this was, let me see, $3. This is $3, you guys. You cannot beat that, and it's beautiful. I got 2 of those, so let me show you the other one. 2. See how cute they are. See how beautiful? So cute. All right, so now I have a couple of things to show you outside. Let me get, yeah, that's it. So I have a couple things to show you outside, so let's head out there. Okay, so I got these T-posts and this wire. This is going to continue going around the back garden bed to help keep out the deer. This was $20, and we've got 50 feet. And then these T-posts were $1.50 each, and they're 4 feet tall. So they go perfectly with this wire right here. Such a good deal. And they actually had 2 of these. I might end up going back to get the second one because I also want to do the wire around this part too, and not just that part there, because I have some started on that side and I want to continue it around. But yeah, such a good deal. $1.50 per post. Actually, it was $1.25. $1.25 per T-post, and then $20 for that. A steal. Such a steal. Because I was just at Rural King yesterday as well, and their wire fencing was like $40 to $50 for this amount. So such a good deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super quick haul video. Yeah, let me know if you guys are snagging any of these deals at Walmart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.